What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Hux World, and yep, we got another heavy hitter for you for the weekend. The weekend is here. It's time to get ready. Let's get geared up, people. Now, I got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by Prado Design. This guy continues to bring the noise. He just doesn't want to quit, and I'm not mad at him. Now, I'm going to get a developer 4 thumbs up in the door for the design of this watch face. I thought he did an awesome job. Now, at the end of the video, you can hit me down in the comment section down below and let me know how many thumbs up you will give this watch face. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's do the review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Skyforce. I thought it was a good look, a nice design. Even in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice look for the Gears 3 and the Gears 2. They're going to look slightly different, but you will be able to get your analog time and your info at a glance with no problem. But once the watch face is on, here's where the beauty of this watch face starts to come out. It's a super casual watch face for a super casual day. It's going to look nice on your wrist. I like where Bruno went with this watch face. The design is really nice. I like the thing that's going around these dials right here in the middle. Kind of brings out the watch face, gives it a lot of character, and I like the look of the background, especially with the color that's showing now. And the hands. The hands also looks nice and stylish for this type of watch face. Again, it blends in perfectly. Now, you only get the 12 and the 6, and I like that look. It aids to a, let me say, a luxury taste, right? That's added to this watch face with that look. Now, in this dial, you're going to get your steps. Now, if you look at the steps, I'm only at 9,000 steps. I've never been up under 10,000. Yes, I'm still limping. It's getting better, but I'm not moving like I'm normally moving. But it'll come, people. It'll come. All right, so right here, you're going to get the date. It's surrounded by the days of the week as well. I do love that look. And I just like the whole design. I like the look of the index. And it is inactive, so if I tap right here, I can't get my step status. I can't believe 9,000. And if I tap right here, I'm going to be able to get my calendar. If I want to set an event, I can. And here, people, check this out. You're going to get 16 different colors. Now, I'm going to cycle through a few just to give you an idea of what you're going to be in for when you download this watch face. And I'm loving the look of all the colors. 16 people, count them up, 16, which means you'll be able to tap into any color or color coordinate with whatever it is that you may be wearing for that day with no problem. Quite a few, right? Now, that's not only it. Let me go through one more color so you can see. If you tap on the 25, double tap, I can change the look of the hands. Now, that's the minute hand. Just tap on the 25, and then if I tap on the 35, I could change the hour hand. Very nice. My man Bruno Prado, he outdid himself with this watch face. Again, 4 thumbs up. It's just a drop in the bucket for this one. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Don't forget to let me know how many thumbs up you'll give this watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.